Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are taking a look at how to quickly apply a two-color gradient fill to your page background in Microsoft Word. This is an excellent way to make your cover pages, brochures, or custom documents stand out. To get started, open your Word document and head up to the main ribbon. Click on the Design tab. Over on the far right side of the menu, you will see an option called Page Color. Give that a click. From the drop-down menu, select Fill Effects down at the bottom. A new window will pop up. Make sure you are in the Gradient tab at the top. You will notice a few choices here, but we want to select the two colors option. Now for the creative part. Under the Colors section, pick your primary color from the Color 1 menu. Next, choose your secondary color from the Color 2 menu. You can also play around with Word's built-in presets if you prefer a pre-made combination. Once your colors are locked in, look down at the Shading Style section. You can experiment with different directions, like horizontal, vertical, diagonal, up, or even from the center. Pick the direction that best fits your document's design. When you are happy with how the preview looks, just hit OK. And there you have it, a beautifully blended two-color background applied directly to your Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more efficient guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.